Especially when you're doing long algebra problems, the calculator can be really helpful for a lot of different things. One of the things it can do is it can easily do addition and subtraction. It can handle negatives. The calculator understands order of operations and all of those kinds of things. So I'm going to pull up the calculator in just a second. Just before I do, I just want to make one remark. You have to be very careful when you're doing subtraction that you choose the right button between the subtraction button and the negative button, because on most calculators these are two separate buttons. But as long as you keep that straight, it should be pretty self-explanatory. So let me pull up my calculator here. All right, here we go. All right, so here's our calculator. So let's see, if you want to do, let's say 7 minus 2 is very straightforward. You just push 7, and then you have, this is the subtraction key and this is the negative key down here. So you would just do 7 minus 2, enter, it'll give you 5. And if you did, 8 plus 10, enter, it would give you 18. Now if you want to use negative values, maybe -6 plus 9 or something like that, then you have to use this negative key and not the subtraction key. This will work, but here, let me try this one again. Let me do -6 plus 9. Or actually, see, it's not even wanting to let me do that. Let me delete this guy right here. Okay, so here you see that there's a subtle difference in the way I typed this here. I wrote -6 plus 9 as opposed to -6 plus 9. If I push enter, it'll give me a syntax error, which is saying it doesn't like the way that I'm writing this. And so I would go back, and if you change it to a -6 plus 9, it'll work just fine. If you have a very long problem, it can handle it all at once. Let's say you have 9 minus parentheses -5 close parentheses plus 11 minus 51 or something like that. Very long problem, lots of addition, lots of subtraction. We have negatives, we have minus negatives, we have everything. Let's see what this would do. This would turn the minus the negative into a plus. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 11 would make 25. And then 25 minus 51 would make -26. So let's see if it was right. Yep, it does all the order of operations correctly. It gives us -26. So you can trust the calculator as long as you're typing it in correctly. It understands order of operations and can be a huge time saver.